Frosty the snowman was alive as he could be, and the children say he could help them play. Yeah.
Where?
All done?
Where?
Can we spin this way? Hi.
Silly.
Daddy's gonna go bye-bye. Can Daddy have a hug? I got you. Can Daddy have a hug? I'm gonna go bye-bye. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give Daddy a hug. I'm going bye-bye.
I got you. I got you.
Bye-bye. Oh, watch where you're going. Give Daddy a hug, please. Please, Daddy, hug. Please, can Daddy have a hug, please? Sad. Sad. Daddy's sad.
Grandma.
Camera.
Camera, yeah. Can Daddy have a hug, please?
Nana.
No, Natalie does not need it.
No, you don't need the camera.
Mom.
No, Daddy's.
This is not Natalie's, this is Daddy's. No. Who is this in the camera, Natalie? Who's in the camera?
Grandma.
No, that's not Grandma. Who is that in the picture?
I just.
That's Natalie.
Yeah.
Can you wave to Natalie? Hi, Natalie.
Hi, Nanny.
Can you say cute?
Cute.
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 Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Did we eat spaghetti?
Yeah.
Did you walk around?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, say bye-bye, camera.
Bye, Grandma.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yay.
Hooray, Thomas.
Hooray, Thomas. Yeah.
I got you.
I got you.